Yeah, baby. This is Relly Carpio, hack and slash gaming reporter for Inquirer.net. I am with the War Council and the members of Supreme Destiny's Team PH, the current and the very first world champions for Supreme Destiny. Alright. We're also with Mr. Sonny Carlos, the product manager for IBE Games, Supreme Destiny. Alright. Unang tanong natin kay Mr. Carlos. Sir, what can you say about the win?
Siyempre, super ecstatic. Super saya talaga namin. Talagang full force. And really proud of the guys.
Did you expect kung ano yung mangyayari dun sa pagkakapanalo?
Hindi naman namin na-expect yung concede. Pero yung concede second one. Pero yung first win kasi.
Alright. Let me introduce yung members ng War Council. Please, one by one, introduce yourselves.
I'm Ayin.
Hi, Ayin.
I'm BKK na lang.
Alright. Sir?
I'm Squall 09F.
Alright. And?
I'm Dark Knight.
Alright. And?
BP.
Alright. So, sir,
BPDOP.
kahit sino sa War Councils, tingin nyo, what brought the win? Bakit ngayon kayo ang world champions ng Supreme Destiny?
Number one, teamwork. Number two, strategy, unity, cooperation, strategy.
Siyempre, the pressure's on sa susunod sa tingin nyo na competition makikip up nyo na kayo pa rin na mag-champion?
Siyempre. Hindi kami makabayaan ni North Pole.
Sino ba si North Pole? Max, do you have any message for the other players ng Supreme Destiny?
Malapit na next patch.
May March daw, sabi ni GM Drone.
Panalo na eh.
Magatik na kayo guys. Huwag nyo lang isipin nyo pag i-quit dyan. Katulad ng ginawa ng iba. Babalik kayo. Parang siya. Sparkle is my name. SD is my game.
Alright, one time, Team PH!
Sasabihin.
Wala kayong bilis sa sarili nyo?
PH.
One! Ano sabihin?